Are you bored with your current dining chair, yet you don't want to break the bank? Starting with the OLIXIS Set of 4, these chairs stand out with a sleek and clean design. They're incredibly versatile, which means they blend right in with almost any style of dining table. Plus, the seat cushion is plush enough to keep you comfortable whether you're enjoying a quick breakfast or hosting a longer dinner. If you like a minimalist look that's both functional and stylish, this is a great choice. Moving on to the LUE BONA Windsor. This is the perfect pick for anyone wanting a bit of classic European-inspired charm. Its spindleback design gives off a timeless vibe, and it's crafted from solid hardwood for durability. If you picture a traditional farmhouse or a quaint cottage ambiance, these chairs will capture that mood perfectly. They also provide a sturdy seat, so they're as reliable as they are visually appealing. Lastly, the COLAMY wooden dining chair. Think modern and luxurious when you see these. With an ergonomic shape, they focus on offering you a naturally supportive seating experience. The soft fabric backrest is plush and adds a cozy feel, so those long family meals or gatherings with friends stay comfortable from start to finish. If you're looking for something that combines contemporary style with superior comfort, this might be the best fit. Which design will you be choosing for your home? Don't want to waste hours hunting for the best finds? Hit that subscribe button and stay tuned.